Yes, good evening. So here we are going to have some answers on the past bar exam questions, particularly in political law. So just listen well, just close your ears on the sounds outside. The Senate conducted, so this is the first question, investigations on how to strengthen the effects of the government. Sana maintindihan nyo sila. Against fugitives from justice after prominent personalities covertly left the country to escape prosecution. The Senate invited Winston as resource person. Winston is notorious drug dealer who managed to avoid his warrants of arrest and hold departure orders. At the hearing, the senators asked Winston about the modus operandi, the names of immigration officers who helped him escape. Yet Winston responded, I will leave it to the Senate to find out the information about these immigration officers. Dissatisfied, the senators immediately cited Winston in contempt and ordered his detention until he answers the question. Did the Senate lawfully cite Winston in contempt? Explain. So answer here, yes. This is my answer, okay? So you wait for the answer of the UP Law Center if you will not listen to my answer. Yes, the Senate lawfully cite Winston in contempt. Article 6, Section 21 of the 1987 Constitution states the Senate as the House of Representatives or any of its respective committees may conduct inquiries in aid of legislation in accordance with its duly published rules or procedure. The rights of person appearing in as affected by such inquiries shall be respected. In same vein, his Bill of Rights was not violated under Article 3, Section 14 of 1987 Constitution, which states, no person shall be held to answer for criminal offense without due process of law. Here we saw in a problem that he was invited as a resource speaker inside the mansion of Senate. Thus, he was given due process. 2. In all criminal prosecution, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved and shall enjoy the right to be heard by himself and counsel, to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him, to have a speedy, impartial, and public trial, to meet the witnesses face to face, and to have compulsory process, to secure the attendance of witnesses in the production of evidence in his behalf. However, after arraignment, trial may proceed notwithstanding the absence of the accused, provided that he has been duly notified and his failure to appear is unjustifiable. Here he was asked to be a witness under the protection of the law, just to tell the spoiled system and Bureau of Immigration on who are the ranks and names that helped him to pass the whole of needle in the Bureau of Immigration. But he arrogantly said that he will leave it to the Senate. Even we will apply the statutory construction, it is clear that he is disrespecting the Senate based on Article 6, Section 21 of 1987 Constitution, because his commentary will solve the problem. Instead, he is telling the Senate to find other people to tell them who are the people behind the Pastillas group, which is direct opposite of the intent of the framers in inviting him. Thus, Winston must tell the Senate Consortium who are the people in immigration so that he will be released in detention even he is not treated as criminal like late Ichigaray to dissolve the contempt. So that's it. So that's my answer for question number 1. So we'll just do it gradually. So one problem at a time. Thank you. God bless. And hopefully our answers will coincide. Thank you and God bless.